Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys have been following me in the last few episodes, I was in Southern California, and yeah, I've been up since 4 a.m. Started driving at 4:30 in the morning from Irvine, and I am just about 20 minutes or so away from Santa Cruz. You see the thumbnail, we're going to Santa Cruz to our boy Justin's new shop for his grand opening, and everyone else should be there. Let's go. Woo, here we are. Look at this, perfect timing. Literally got here like a few seconds before everyone else. They all showed up from the Bay Area down here to Santa Cruz. There he is, there's the man. And that's his ride right there. This is a shop, man, check it out. He's gonna hook it up. Yes. Oh hell yeah, good times here, man. Look at that, this whole thing is his. Super sick, and it goes straight out. This is all the showcase cars go. Look at that, dude, look at the space, man. Nice.
So you can kind of move this up and down and shit too, and then you just fucking rally around, bro.
That's so sick.
You definitely need like surround sound and shit. Dude, I can hook it up to that speaker.
Oh, that's true. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can just play it throughout the garage.
Dude, the sound on this is pretty terrible.
That's exactly what that car sounds like. Super dope. Look at all the room he has out here too. Man. Yeah, and if you don't know, Justin does glass repair. So yeah, man, so proud of him. Congratulations, man, because this is all yours, and he can work on multiple cars here. Yeah, hit him up. There's his information right there. And check out his Beamer. That's why every time I see one in this color, I'm like, what up, Justin?
And I mean, plus, dude, it's like they can't like take any.
The crew back together again.
Whoa!
Woo! Going to a VIP party, man.
Hey, you gotta back in, man. What is this?
He's acting like a customer, dude.
That's awesome. That was really cool.
That's sick, dude.
Like, depends on how you drive it. Like that. You drive like a maniac. It's not very long. Like a few minutes, like 5 minutes? Like 15, 20 minutes. Oh, that's yeah. Just rallying around, you know? Makes sense. So,
he said do it again.
Don't hit anything, huh?
Death Force.
Extra 1,000 horsepower.
Oh man. Oh shit.
No, I was gonna go
that
out.
was scary, dude. Yeah, not the Beamer. Not the Beamer. Shit. Yeah.
How fun is that though? Fuck, that was awesome. I felt like I was rallying around.
Yeah, there you go. That is how he drives.
Slower, like
that,
yeah. Lambo. Lambo driver.
Slow down. Whoa.
You look scary.
I would be.
Awesome.
The battery's on because of my weight.
Yeah, I'm like tiny. You can rip it. I can rip it around. All conservative and shit. Let somebody sub 300 pounds drive it. Oh no.
Marino speed.
So go in front of the BMW over there.
Okay.
This one? Yeah. Whoa.
Ooh.
Okay.
Brave, man.
Get it, man.
Look at that.
All right, Dale. Here we go, Dale.
Dale. I know. Yeah, that's how fast I'm going. Dude, look at Aaron's carbon fiber.
Hours late. I'll be there at 9.
Oh, there he is. You just woke up?
Anywhere.
Right there. What's up, man? Hi. This a Mazda?
It is.
It's a rotary engine?
It's just a standard Mazda.
Look at that. She's pretty. Speech.
I'm the owner.
I'm the owner.
Hello, everybody. I just want to thank you today for coming to Diamond View Auto Glass Grand's opening. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys all coming, for real though.
Oh, thanks, man.
It's first of many, hopefully, little meetups. You know, hopefully get some more cars and food in here, and man, it's fun. So cars and coffee for sure.
Hell yeah.
Yeah,
If you want to stop, you can, because you can re-edit. You can edit, you know?
Yeah.
So you can stop it.
I hope so.
No, I'm not editing this part. This is the only part I'm not editing. No,
No,
thanks,
it's
Justin.
good, man. I appreciate everyone cooking. Thank you, Brian. Thank you. Fuck yeah, that air fryer. The air fryer is the hit right now.
Woo.
But
All
yeah,
right.
hopefully we
Amen.
can have some more events here. Okay, bye.
Oh yeah, thanks, dude.
Thank you.
No, you want to go fast. You're going to be aerodynamic. You're going to do this.
Oh, it took you?
No, put your head down.
Yeah. Like Valentino Rossi out there, man.
Yeah, bro.
This is fine. I'm gonna get addicted to this. Don't make me buy one.
Oh,
Buy one and bring it here.
woo. This is a whole family went down.
Let's drink blood.
Dude, there were some birds that were getting close too. I was like, no.
I wouldn't even be surprised if that shit wasn't bird.
Oh no. Justin, for the vlog,
Dude,
thank you
fuck
so
yeah.
much. Congratulations,
Thank you for
sir.
coming by, man.
For sure, man. Next time.
Diamond View Auto Glass.
Yes, come see him.
Anyone needs anything, let me know. It's good stuff, man. Thank you. for coming
Give him the
by.
address.
433 Ocean Street, Santa Cruz, California. Right on Ocean and SoCal, right on the corner there.
There you go. Thank you, sir.
Man, come on. All right, hey, no, seriously, that's fun. Thank you guys, because you know a lot of people said they'd show up, but they didn't. Not everyone showed up. So thank you guys for bringing cool cars, showing up. You know.
You say the cool car over there, huh?
Yeah. You see that Tacoma? Tacoma's sweet, man. No, it's good shit. Okay, I'm gonna do this again though, for sure.
Wow.
Yeah,
Thanks,
we'll be
Justin.
here.
Always down to support, bro. We'll bring something next time.
Wait, we have to space out because we're gonna be on YouTube. You don't want that fucking governor to be like, you know.
Hey, mask up, guys.
Hey, space out.
No, I'm gonna put throwback Thursday, man. This is 2018.
Justin goes, space.